Heartiest welcome to our dignified principal, honorable HSO, respected coordinator ma'am, beloved teachers, and everyone present in the audience. I, Srishti,
And Bhavika,
are your host for today's event. We stand here today at the brink of something extraordinary. So, with a great round of applause, let us witness the glory of the day. Hanuman God, known for his strength, devotion, and courage. It is believed to bring protection, success, and peace to those who recite it with faith. The verses praise Hanuman's loyalty to Lord Ram and his mighty deeds, inspiring devotion and confidence. Many people chant it daily to
What time did those in the city say that they would come?
Between 4 and 5, madam.
Then we must wait for them.
It was a nice little place for you to spend the weekend, madam.
Yes, but times are hard and business is as bad as it can be.
In that case, madam, it is good time to save.
No, perhaps not. But there are moments in life when it's the right time to buy, but never the right time to sell. Now nobody has any money and nobody wants to buy.
That's why it is a favor that I want to ask you, madam.
Yes, what is it, my girl?
Will you be kind enough to let me out between 9 and noon tomorrow morning?
9 till noon?
Yes, madam. They have asked me to play in Johnson Studio.
You're going to act for the cinema?
Yes, madam.
What kind of part are you going to play?
Again, madam, they are giving me 100 francs for doing it.
100 francs.
Yes, madam. As only you pay me 100 in a month, I can't very well. Can I refuse, madam?
100 francs is unbelievable.
Will you permit me? I have suddenly thought of.
What?
They want a cooking film. They said, if you know any suitable, would you like to meet them to the engagement?
What? Thank God, how kind of you. I'm not so hard of letters yet.
Oh, madam, I hope you are not angry with me.
Not in the least. I'm going upstairs. If that is a lady, tell her I will not be upstairs. But the impress is when I'm waiting for her.
Very good, madam. Will you kindly to sit down? I will tell madam you are here.
Thank you. And they call that the garden? Why? It's a yard with a patch of grass in the middle. But the inside of the house seems very nice, Justin. 25 yards of curtain and a dash of paint. You can get that anywhere. That's not fair. Wait until you see the rest of it. Why should I? I don't want to see the kitchen to know that the garden is a mess and the salon is impossible. What's the matter with it? Matter? Why? You can't even call it a salon. Perhaps there is another. Never mind the other. I'm talking about this one. We could do something very original with it. Yes, make it an annex to the garden. No, but a kind of study. A study? Good Lord, you're not thinking in going for study, are you? Don't be aggravating, please. If you don't want the house, tell me so that at once and we'll say no more about it. That's exactly what I told you at the door. But we are buying a villa, aren't we? We are not. What do you mean we are not? Then we are not looking for a villa? Certainly not. But we have talked about nothing else. You mean you've talked about nothing else? I've never talked about it. Well, at any rate, I'm looking for it for us. Not for us, if your parents were simply trying to make you buy a villa so that you could put your father and mother in it, then why have you been looking over villas for the past week? I have not. You haven't told me. Then stop it phone and buy one. That is finished and we won't talk about it. My darling, I quite admit that you want to buy a villa for your father and mother. But me, I don't want to pay for it. That is my dowry. Your dowry? We have spent that long ago. But since then you have made a fortune. Anyways, there's no use discussing. I will not buy a villa and that is it. Then it wasn't worthwhile. That's exactly what I meant. Good afternoon, madam. Up to you, madam. Good day, madam. Why don't you sit down? Is your first impression a good one? Excellent. I'm not in the least surprised. It is the most disciplined place. Obedience is modest. I can tell by just looking at it that it will suit you. Coming from me, it may surprise you to hear. Only a week to be at home. The house possesses a great many advantages: electricity, gas, water, telephone, and drainage. The garden is beautifully fitted and the room was entirely spread out. Oh, that is very important, isn't it, darling? For whom? The garden is not very large, it's not very long, it's not very wide, but my word, it is high. That's not exactly what I meant. Your husband is very busy, madam. As I was saying, the garden is not very large, it's not very long, but it is surrounded by many other gardens. Oh, please don't joke. What this lady says is perfectly right. We'll tell you now, what price are you asking for the villa?
Well, you see, I must admit quite frankly that I don't want to sell it anymore.
Then there is nothing further to discuss about it.
Please,
Let Madam finish, darling.
thanks. I was going to say that for exceptional people like you, I don't mind giving them. I can see the perfect assurance. I agree, I will sell it to you.
It's extremely kind of you.
Extremely, yes, but
What's the price, Madam?
entirely furnished, all the pictures. With that little picture signed by Farah. I don't know if you have ever heard of this painter, have you?
No, never.
Neither have I, but I like the color and heard it speak. Just for the villa it stands for 200,000 francs. Silently excessive, oh no.
Oh, yes, Madam.
Very well, I can't repair it and insist. Make me an offer.
If you please, Madam. You're not over-polite, are you?
My darling, for heaven's sake, stop worrying. Go and examine the bathroom and come back quickly.
200,000 francs for a few yards of land? You must be mad, crazy. If Madam would be kind enough to comment. I don't know anything about Madam.
Anyways, to begin with, this villa was built by my grandfather. Neither do I, but I must tell you that. Let me explain that. Copies are not always good. We could only imitate you, and imitations are no better than real life. We are so different. Think of it. Europeans go to America to earn money, and Americans come to Europe to spend. We are learning now. We are practicing. The house. Let me see. I can take 100,000 francs. Same for everybody. You know, even though you're an American, I wouldn't dream of raising the price. Well, I don't quite know. Whenever you like. Delighted to hear you now. Well, of course. It's very charming. Of course, as I told you, it is about very nice. There are 2 large bedrooms and a small one. What on earth are you driving at? Just find the easy, darling. Yes, of course, 200,000 is my lowest catch. Well, that's fixed. I won't argue about it. But there's so many things to be discussed before. Not at all. As one thing, I'm not arguing about the price. I'm not arguing. Well, it must be nice to must let me take this little picture which has kept me company while you and my wife went upstairs. Very well, I'll show you the garden on the way out.
What on earth have you done?
I
I made 100,000 francs on a forest.
But how?
I'll tell you later.